This video is designed to help you improve your English naturally. You will hear simple and clear English that is commonly used in everyday life. Just listen carefully, focus on the words, and try to understand without pressure. With regular listening, your English will slowly become clearer and more confident. Arav grew up in a small village where dreams were often limited by circumstances. People around him believed that success was reserved for those born with privilege, not for someone like him. Yet, deep inside, Arav carried a quiet belief that his life could be more than what others expected. Every morning, he woke up before sunrise to help his family with chores before walking miles to school. The road was long and tiring, but he used that time to imagine a better future. While others complained about hardship, Arav treated each struggle as training for something greater. At school, he was not the smartest student, nor the strongest, but he was the most persistent. When he failed exams, he did not quit, he studied harder. When people laughed at his ambitions, he smiled and kept moving forward. One day, an opportunity came in the form of a scholarship exam. Many told him not to waste time because no one from his village had ever succeeded. Arav felt fear, but he chose courage instead, reminding himself that failure was better than regret. He studied late into the night, often under a dim lamp, fighting sleep and doubt. There were moments when he wanted to give up, but he remembered why he started. His dream became stronger than his exhaustion. When the results were announced, Arav's name stood at the top. For the first time, the village that doubted him celebrated him. His success was not just a reward, it was proof that determination can break even the strongest barriers. Arav later returned to his village, not as someone seeking praise, but as someone wanting to inspire. He told the children that talent is important, but courage and consistency matter more. He wanted them to believe in possibilities, not limitations. His story teaches us that life does not change in one moment, but through small, brave steps taken every day. No matter where you come from, your mindset can take you anywhere. If you keep moving forward, even when the path is hard, success will eventually meet you.